Today in this video, we're going to be playing Clean a Keycap in Roblox. So, let's get into it. Oh my gosh. So, now we just got to clean this keycap. This is... Oh, let's go! W. So, looks like I have to make a whole keyboard. And looks like I can roll it to get luck. Oh, to get a better sponge. Oh! Hold on, that's a 1 and 2. Yo. Okay, I got it. Now we're about to clean this next one. Scrub, 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 scrub. Okay, let's go. We got our next key. That's a W. Scrub, 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 scrub. Oh. Okay, y'all, this is so good, bro. So, yeah, we do this. Like, we just, like, walk on it to collect our money. Okay, let me go get a better sponge. Okay. Bigger sponge. Let's get a bigger sponge. That's W. So it looks like SpongeBob, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like, it's like SpongeBob kind of. Can I like remove keys if I want to get better ones? Okay, so I can upgrade. Alright, walk speed. Oh, what does it mean by walk speed? Oh, you could delete it. Okay, I think I'm gonna make like an all pink one. I think that would be good. And y'all, it's not like, I think it's just gonna be cool. So let's put an all pink one. Unless we roll again and then we can get a different color. Alright, it's just the same one. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, chocolate. Chocolate? That looks cool. Actually, let's make a chocolate keyboard. Okay. Yeah, let's make a chocolate keyboard, actually. So we're gonna delete all of this. And y'all, I'll tell you how it is once we make this chocolate keyboard. Okay, so it looks like I got my first roll. And it looks like I'm able to hire a worker. So, let's hire you. Okay, so all workers step on it for me. Okay, that means I can print more money while I clean the keys. So, isn't it supposed to be a chocolate key? Okay, who even cares? It's chocolate or not? It doesn't even matter. Okay, it just matters that we're making a keyboard. Now we can have different keys, y'all. So that's good. Just gonna clean it. Oh my gosh, yo. It's so cool. Y'all, this is so satisfying. And look at this. So each rebirth, we can buy different types of sounds. I really want to see the crunch one. That looks so cool, bro. Okay. So in order to rebirth, we're gonna have to get 20,000, and right now we're at 6,000, which kind of broke. But we're gonna get there soon. So like, yeah. It's okay. It's gonna be okay, bro. Looks like we are able to afford the rebirth now. And our keys are looking really good. Our keyboard is almost done. Wow, bro. Let's put on the last keyboard. And we did it. We completed. So let's do our first rebirth now. Rebirth. Okay, which means we lost our worker. But it's fine, y'all. Now we're on rebirth 1, so let's do the quickie sound. Can I equip that? Hold on, it costs money. Oh! Once you have enough rebirths for it, you have to pay money? I did not know that, bro. Hey, but let's expand our thing. So, I guess we just expand over here. Expand our keyboard right there. And we're gonna expand it right there. And now we got a huge keyboard, y'all. So, let's actually just do like a couple rows. Because I'm trying to get something good. Not really nothing. Ew. Grass soap? Ew. Ooh, I don't want grass on my soap. That would just make all the keyboards dirty. Nope. Ooh, mint mint soap? Oh my gosh, that actually looks cool. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yo. Okay, I gotta see this. Oh, that's so cool. Like mints. Well, I mean, it's called a mint soap for a reason. But like still, that's so cool, y'all. Y'all don't understand how cool that is, bro. Okay, we're gonna do mints for a while. Okay, we could get a shiny or clean. I don't really know which one to choose. Guess I'm gonna choose clean. But y'all, we need to start printing a little bit of money, so let's do that. Okay, I get it. These make you $100. This makes me $150. Chocolates make me how much? $120. So it looks like the white keyboards are not really that good. But it's good, it's good, it's good. So, oh my gosh, I'm just trying to make it shiny, bro. Okay. Make it shiny. And I'm gonna make it clean. Because, you know, we don't want dirty keyboards or dirty keycaps. Okay, I think it's time we're gonna get something else. Okay, bubblegum. Bubblegum looks so cool, y'all. Yo, that looks cool. Hold on, I actually want to see this one. Oh my gosh, y'all, that is cool. I'm not even lying, bro. That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna do bubblegum for a while because bubblegum looks so cool. I think we're gonna do like a roll of that, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 6, 7 left. But yeah, we're just gonna do that for now. Boom! Okay, let's do this. Wish we could make it faster. Honestly, I need to get more workers to step on it. So, okay, we got 2 workers, which is cooking right now. Y'all workers are printing me money, bro. Like, y'all, look at my money in the corner right now. That is printing right now. Not even gonna lie. Okay, what are we gonna get? Mint? Okay, actually, let's buy some luck. Let's buy some luck. Oh! Poison! Yo! Poison! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, that looks so cool. Cool. Am I gonna get it? Okay, maybe it's just glitching right now. I get it, right? Bro. What? What? Come on, bro! You need popsicle sponge. Or do I have to, like, place the sponge out? What? Yo, this is glitched. Sure you want to reload poison? I don't want to. Oh, I need a popsicle. Bro. Okay. I guess we just have to do this. Community. It's fine, bro. I don't have to join the community. It's good. It's good. But I guess we're just going to wait to get a popsicle right now. Which is fine. Which is fine. I guess we're just going to fill this one out, I guess. Something. I guess I should probably buy a new worker. Place more keycaps. Alright. That's understandable. That's understandable. Okay, what's an upgrade actually? Walk speed. Okay, let me actually do the press radius. Gonna upgrade that all the way to the max. Worker speed. Gonna upgrade that to the max. That we can do right now. And yeah. I said W. Okay, y'all, let's just do this so we can get some more workers. Cooking right now. We are cooking. And y'all, can y'all please get me to 25,000 subscribers? I'm not saying I know it sounds like a lot right now, but if I do get 25,000 subscribers, I will go to VidCon. I'll see if I can go to VidCon, y'all, because I do want to go, but I'm going to do that when I do my face reveal, which might be soon. But, like, y'all don't know, bro. Y'all have to hit that like and subscribe button, and just wait for more content. So, anyways, these keys are looking cool. I think I might get one. More room. Keycap. Hold up. Keycap. Cost. Nope. Nope. Huh? Oh my gosh, why does my thing keep on zooming it? Oh, my screen is glitched. Alright. What is this now? I don't even know, bro. But looks like we have a lot of money, which is super good. Now we just have one more keycap left. And why is my screen glitching? Why is it glitching? And y'all, we just finished the keyboard, so I guess we just get another worker. Okay, let's get you, bro. Okay, we just got the worker now, and that's super good. But we need more keyboard space, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna expand that. And I guess we expand that too. Which is not bad, not bad. So we're just gonna get some more keys. No rub it. Yeah. So we're gonna do that. Scrub a dub dub. Okay, y'all. That was kind of corny, bro, but like, hey, scrub a dub dub. Okay, y'all, I think we're gonna end it there. But y'all, we ended off with 3 workers, which is W. Yeah. This is such a W, y'all. So let's do this. So I guess we ended off with 200K, which is super, super good. So we're gonna do one last key just for the memories, and we might be doing a part 2. But just comment if y'all want a part 2 though. Anyways, if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and comment down if y'all want a part 2 to this. Also, please get me to 1K subscribers. That is my dream. I am trying to get to 25K, but we're not going to rush it too fast. Make sure y'all join the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.